Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix Microsoft Store and Xbox app error code 0x80D03002 on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of error code, then here are the fixes, and the first workaround is right click on a start button and choose settings. Here from the left side of settings page, go to apps, and from the right side click on installed apps, and here in the search field type Xbox. Basically this error is related to Xbox app, so you must repair Xbox app. X Click on three horizontal dot against Xbox app and choose advanced options. Here scroll down and you will find the option reset. If this app is not working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data would not be affected. First choose repair. Wait few seconds, and if this app still is not working right, reset it. The app's data will be deleted. If repair does not work, then reset Xbox app. This will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. Choose reset Xbox app. And if after repairing and resetting Xbox app your problem is still, then uninstall Xbox app and reinstall a fresh version of Xbox app in your system. After that, close the windows, and some other workaround also you must apply, and these are right click on start button and choose run. Here in run dialog box type WSREACT.exe. This command will clear your Microsoft Store caches, and click on OK. Follow on screen instruction. It will clear all your Microsoft Store caches stored in your system. Thereafter, check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. And the next one is, again, open Microsoft Store app in your system. Go to Windows search, type store, and here from the top menu bar, go to your profile icon, click on it and sign out. Sign out from your Microsoft account, and after some times again re-sign in with your Microsoft account. Means sign out and sign in your Microsoft account and check whether your Microsoft Store error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Go to Windows search and type store troubleshooter. Open the Store Troubleshooter, find and fix problems with Microsoft Store apps. Click on open. Here, troubleshoot and help prevent computer problems, Microsoft Store apps. Click on advanced and make the check against option apply repairs automatically and click on next. And follow on screen instruction to complete the process, troubleshooting process. It will not only detect the issue, resolve them accordingly. So wait for some times. Follow on screen instruction to complete the troubleshooting process. Close the windows and check whether your Microsoft Store or Xbox app error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. And the next one is right click on the start button and choose settings. Here from the left side, go to apps, installed apps, and here look for the store app. It may not be available here, so close the windows and simply go to Windows search and type store. Open it, and here from the top of the page, click on your profile icon and here choose settings. And here you will find app updates, automatically download and install apps. Turn the toggle button on against auto app updates option. After that, check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on the start button and choose settings. Here from the left side, go to Windows Update and click on check for updates or any pending action required, fulfill them. And if any update available, simply download and install it in your system.